At Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, our campus is not defined by its buildings. It is defined by its vision. Our vision to create an environment where knowledge inspires innovation, ethics shape character, and excellence becomes a way of life. In a world that evolves every day, Tecnia continues to adapt, embracing new ideas, emerging technologies, and changing professional landscapes, rooted in academic excellence and driven by holistic development. This is a place where possibilities are transformed into opportunities. More than just an institution, a place where knowledge meets purpose, where potential becomes achievement, and where every learner is empowered to shine brighter.